Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to easily add story highlights on Facebook. We know that highlights can disappear after 24 hours, but in order for this to stay as highlights on your story, you need to go over to your Facebook, specifically on your Facebook profile, and you're going to see something like this. Now here on your Facebook profile, you can see professional dashboard, add to story, advertise, then you can see three dots. Tap on it. This will take you to your profile settings. You want to select archive. Now, after selecting archive, you want to tap on story archive. So when we're here, you can see all stories that have been archived already. So we're going to go ahead and choose one. Now, while having this, you can tap on the love icon at the top right corner. And what this is going to do, it's going to create a highlight where you can see it on your Facebook profile. But before you do that, you need to make some settings. For example, this will have a cover, this will have a title, and you can see some options at the bottom where you can add other highlights. So we're going to leave the cover as is if that's what you want, or of course you could tap on the cover, select from your photos. If you want to, then tap use, and it's going to create a new cover for that highlight. So if you want to show a highlight on your exercise routines, you want to show a picture that might be easily seen as such. And then you could put the title, exercise, and that has saved as a title. And at the bottom, you could add more of your exercise photos or highlights that will be shown in your highlight. For now, once we tap on save, it says saving highlight, and that has been saved. Now, for us to see this, we're going to go back to our profile, refresh, and now you can see exercise right there. So this is how you can easily add story highlights on Facebook.